Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you a Pretty Little Thing try on haul. So I got a big massive bag full of clothes. A lot of it is casual comfy wear because we're in quarantine right now and I wanted some cute comfy clothes. I did get like maybe 2 going out outfits, but yeah, anyways, we're gonna try on these outfits and see if they are a hit or a miss. So if you would like to see that, please keep watching. Now it's actually a pretty big haul. Like I spent around $400 I believe for everything, and I did get like maybe like a 20% discount as well. So these earrings, I did get these in the bag, but I had to put them on right away. And I also got this necklace, which I think is super cute. It says Aries. But yeah, anyways, we've been in quarantine, so I've gained a little bit of weight. So I'm just letting you guys know that some of the stuff might be super tight because I got my sizes that I normally wear. So it definitely might be a bit tight and snug, but we're gonna see how they fit anyways. We're just gonna go through this bag, I guess, and I'll start opening up a bunch of stuff and show it to you and then try it on. So this is actually a purse. Now I've been seeing so many girls wearing those like shoulder bags, so I really wanted to get one for myself because they're in style and super cute. So this is a big reveal. I hope it's nice. So it came all on paper and like some cardboard. Oh, it's so tiny and cute though. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love that. I don't know if this, I normally wanted a bag that was gonna fit like this though, like around the shoulder. It's quite tight and snug, so I don't think I'll be able to hold it like that. I think I'm gonna have to hold it like a mini bag. But I mean, it is super cute. It's just a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, and it's not a shoulder bag as advertised. It says shoulder bag. This doesn't really fit. I mean, it could, but that's kind of awkward. Oh yeah, and then I got another necklace here. It's nothing special. It's just a cherries. Oh, I don't know if you can tell, but there's little gems in it because I needed more accessories, so got that. Okay, oh yeah, this is the sweater dress that I ordered. So it looks like this. Guys, what size did I get for the? I got a size 10. Okay, so I'm gonna try this on. Okay, so I know this is super awkward because you can't even see my face. I know the angles are terrible, but I just wanted to show you guys properly. It is dress length, so it's just above the knee, and it's baggy, which I like too because I wanted something super baggy and cute. And obviously you could just wear this with like, you know, these types of hoops, put your hair back like that, and then rock your shoulder bag. Like, I think that would be such a cute outfit. Wear some like high-waisted, or not high-waisted, just wear some like socks, like white socks, and then some white trainers, and I think this would be such a cute outfit, especially for just going out, running errands, whatever you can do during quarantine, right? The only thing that I don't like about this is it's a little bit weird and baggy there. So as you can see, oh, and it goes longer in the back. So it covers your butt, which is good, because then it wouldn't really be worn as a dress. But see the length, and it goes down like that. What else did I get? Oh, so this is just a plain black crop top that I got. Just because I like wearing plain, super neutral things. They're just so much easier to pair. And I got that in a size 10 UK because I have a bigger chest. And then I guess what I would match that with is, oh, I got some gray joggers, so maybe I'll try on these two together. And I got these in a size medium. So these are just some plain gray joggers. They have pockets, which you need pockets. I hate when pants don't have pockets. And the thing I like about Pretty Little Thing sweatpants is they have this little cincher at the end of your ankles, so it's like tight. I don't know, I just really like my joggers to have that look. But yeah, we're gonna go and put these on. So this is the top, and I believe this top is from the shapewear collection, so it's really great for those girls who have bigger chests like myself. I don't even need a bra with this, which is really nice. It's like holding everything nice in place. It's nice and tight. Now the pants are a size medium, so I think I'm gonna stand up on this. See, that works. Oh, it does work. They're high-waisted and snug. They come with like a little string so you can adjust it. However, I feel that these are quite snug on me for being a medium, which is really weird because I bought mediums in these pants before and they never were this tight. So I don't know, I think maybe because, like I said, I have gained a little bit of bloat and all that stuff from quarantine. But yeah, anyways, but they shape you really nice. I like how the pockets kind of flare out, gives you more of like a hip situation. And then this is from the side and from the back. They come right down to my ankles. Whoa! These fit really perfect and nice, so I'm quite happy about that. Let me know down in the comments if showing you guys standing up that way or on the floor is better. However, I'm going to continue this way because, yeah, I have my little TikTok area situated and I can't move the phone or else I won't transition properly. But yeah, anyways, since we tried on 2 really casual outfits, I got a dress here. Now, it's funny, I ordered this dress probably before I started seeing it all over Instagram, and like now every Instagram girl has it, which is kind of like, ugh, but whatever. I got this in a size 10, same thing. I hope it fits me because, yeah, I've gotten a little chunky, but it's super cute. Do you see that? It's kind of like a cowl neck. And it was supposed to ruche, I think, in the front. I don't know, that's really weird. See, it's not really ruching at the front like I thought it was, and I thought there was supposed to be a tie around it. But yeah, we're gonna throw this on. Now, the dress does not have adjustable straps, which I don't like. And I think because I'm so, like, I have such a big chest that I feel it doesn't really cowl. But I mean, it's still cute nonetheless. So I'm gonna stand up and show you. See, and I feel like I'm constantly, like if I were to lean over or anything, I feel like I'm gonna have a nip slip. So this dress is definitely gonna be a little difficult, I think, to wear. But as you can see here, it's a good length. It's not too short, it's not too long, and I was able to at least pull up the side here and then get a little bit of ruching, which is nice for, you know, when you're super bloated. Like, I would probably have to wear Spanx under these still if I were to wear these now. And that's it from the side. I like the little flowy detailing here. The only thing that I wish about this dress is that the straps were adjustable, so that way I'd feel more secure. But yeah, obviously with this dress I wouldn't wear any big statement earrings. I would kind of wear maybe studs and then have like this cute little necklace, which this is the other necklace I got from Prettylittlething as well. See, I'm scared that I'm gonna show you guys my nips like that. So, what is this? Oh, I think this is a hoodie that I got to wear kind of like as a dress too, but I ordered this in a size large. So it's just a really gigantic hoodie. Hopefully it fits nice, but yeah, I'm gonna try this one on next. This is the hoodie back on, and obviously I accessorize accordingly how I would kind of want the vibe to go. So I'm super happy I got the large because that's kind of the look I wanted to go for. I really wanted the big oversized hoodie look. This is the look of the hoodie. Now you do have to wear like biker shorts with it, or maybe jean shorts, whatever. I'd probably do it with biker shorts just to have that type of model-esque vibe. The sleeves aren't too long, so you could just bunch them up and it still stays like that. It has pockets in the front. That's how it looks from the side and from the back. And this is the same thing. This is where I would like this little bag with, and I think it's just kind of like a Hailey Bieber type of vibe, like how something she would wear. But yeah, it's super cute and I really like this one. Woo! Let there be light. Okay, so it looks like I have a dress left, 2 pairs of joggers, and 1 top left. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already tried this on, but anyways, that's why it's already open. But I'm gonna show you. So these are the last pair of joggers. Now I already have them in gray, so I know that these are gonna fit amazing. Maybe I'll just try them on anyways to show you guys, but they're all over my Instagram. I always wear them, and I got them in black because I love them. This is the top. It's super cute, and the material is really soft, and look how pretty that color is. Like, I absolutely love it. And then I have the pants. Now the pants I got in a size 10, however, that's normally my size, but like I said, I did gain, you know, some bloat or weight, whatever you want to call it. So these I would definitely have to get back to my regular weight to wear, but I'll just show them to you anyways so you guys kind of get the idea. But they're not very flattering, and these ones don't have that cinchy end. They're just kind of like the basic cuff. But yeah, I'm gonna put these on for you guys. This is the top. It's super cute. The only thing is this material, I wasn't expecting it to be like fleecy. So it's probably not going to be the best for like summertime and stuff because you'll get really hot in it. But it's such a beautiful color and I really like this shirt. These pants though, like there's just so many things wrong with them that I don't like. But I'll show you guys what I mean. So these are the pants and look at how unflattering they are. They're showing my belly. Oh, it's giving me a camel toe too. I guess maybe I should pull them down and not have them so high-waisted. But anyways, these are size 10, my usual size. Like I said, yeah, I'm extra bloated. But the one thing I don't like about these pants is this drawstring that's in it on the side here. It just feels like it's all mangled already in there and it's just not comfortable. And I'm not really vibing with this end here either. Are a big no from me. I do not like them. They're not very flattering. However, I will keep them because when I get back to my regular weight, I'll probably like them. But holy crap, it's really hot in the shirt even, and it's only like 20 degrees. We're in May now, so this shirt is definitely more so for winter, but it's super cute. I love the colors, and because I'm big chested, I'll probably have to wear a better supporting bra with this. These are the pants that I have in gray, but I ruined them with foundation too. That's why I got another pair of gray joggers. They're just the Pretty Little Thing embroidered like that, and they have that cinched end that I like, and they're super comfortable. And you know what I'm realizing, like now that it's getting hotter, like a lot of the stuff I got is casual wear, but then it's like super fleecy and thick, which is probably not great for summer. However, all you girls in LA that always dress this way, I'm sure if you guys can do it, I can survive a Canadian summer wearing it. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna show you with these pants and this top. These pants, you see, I already knew with the way that the thing is on the inside, it's already all twisted. Like, that's so annoying. I hate pants like that. These are a big flop. But I put on the Pretty Little Thing embroidered, which is weird because I told you guys I already have the gray, but this pair feels a little tighter. These ones are super high-waisted, and yeah, I like the little Pretty Little Thing embroidered. And then that's them from the side. They have the cuff at the ankle. I really like this, but it's not gonna make the cut for the TikTok video, let me tell you, because I thought this would have been cute with the lilac pants, but those pants make me look nasty. So, I think the last item out of this haul, yeah, is this dress, which is in a size 10, so I'm praying, a UK 10. So I'm praying it's flattering because this isn't ruched. It's just a tight dress from what I remember when I ordered it. It's been a while. What is that? Oh yeah, it's like backless. It looks kind of see-through. And the material's not what I expected, but we're gonna try this on and hopefully it looks good. So I mean, I kind of like the material, how it looks like shiny and glittery and pretty, but if you want to feel insecure about your body, then this is the dress to wear, because this is not flattering whatsoever. Like, I don't even want to show you guys. So this would definitely be like a dress I would wear when I finally get to travel again after quarantine and whatnot, but I'll show you guys anyways so you guys can just see the dress because it's still pretty. So this is it. See, it really shows your stomach and your muffin top, which is really bad on me right now. But once I slim down and stop eating freaking everything, it would look really cute. I like the no low neck. It's definitely secure, so if I were to bend over my boobs, like, I feel like they're secure. Well, that's it from the side. Definitely not flattering, as you can see. You would definitely have to be like the color is really pretty. Like, I never get colors like this, so I think it would be really pretty on vacation and that type of stuff, and the girls feel safe. So yeah, this dress is kind of like a meh for me, but anyways, I'm gonna slip back into something comfortable, and yeah, we're gonna finish the video. Hey guys, so we're back on the floor. I'm in a more comfortable outfit. I finished my TikTok, and hopefully you guys are from there to see this end result. However, I'm gonna give my last and final thoughts. So I've been ordering from Prettylittlething for a while now, and what I noticed is their dresses are so hit or miss. I only get one dress that I like, so the leopard dress I liked, and then I won't like the other ones. So there's so many dresses from Prettylittlething that are even in my closet that I would never wear because they just don't work out. They're either too short, they're not flattering, or for whatever reason, so it's very hit or miss. However, their casual wear, their accessories, like every time I order like necklaces, purses, earrings, things like that, they don't disappoint. But their casual wear, it never disappoints. I mean, you can't really go wrong with casual wear, but the dresses are very hit or miss. Like, they don't look as nice as they do in the pictures some of the times. Like, some of the times the material will look super cheap, or there'll be kind of like strings hanging out. So that's just my final thoughts. Just always be cautious with their dresses. I mean, I still order them all the time, and I'll always find a couple flops and like one I'll really like. So I think I just have to really be vigilant of what I pick out, I guess. But other than that, yeah, I would say that this whole entire haul was more of a success. I didn't like the blue dress, really. I mean, I would still try and wear it eventually, like on vacation, once I lose the weight that I have gained. And those lilac joggers are definitely a miss. Like, even if I lost weight, I just don't think they would be flattering because I still always kind of have a mom's pouch. So I don't think that those would ever be flattering, and they're a little see-through too. But yeah, for the most part, I would say that this haul was a success. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more try-on hauls and that type of stuff. Then help your girl out and subscribe. If you're not following me on TikTok, follow me on TikTok too. But anyways, as always, I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Mwah. Have a good day or night wherever you are, and stay safe during this quarantine.